So I've got this piece of W2 and I'm going to see what I can do with it. 3.5 inches long. I'm going to try and stretch it out to more of a knife size. If I can't get a full handle on it, then I'll put a tang on, or I might even forge that rebar out into the handle. I'll see anyway. Oh, I'll have to re-weld. Sack the welder. just had a look at it and I just need to fatten that handle up a little bit. Don't like working with tongs. Can't see now, it's going dark. But I think that'll do me. Yeah, I managed to stretch that 3.5-inch bar into a piece 8 inches. Now it probably would have been better at 4.5. Then I could have just got that a little bit fatter. But it's, I mean, it's okay as it is, because like I said, it's only a 3-inch blade. So if it doesn't make a handle, it'll make a nice tang. So I'm going to put it on the grinder now and just grind some shape in it. I'm done with this stage. Finished grinding. I took the bevel quite high in the end because I kind of made a mistake on one side. I tipped the grinding jig a little and it dug in, so I had to take the bevel higher. It's okay, it's fine. It's just virtually a flat grind now, which will make a really nice sharp cutting knife. I've shaped the handle a little bit. The final handle shape will come when I fit the timber. Right, I'm going to try for the Hamon on this. This is W2, as I've probably said. And I'm going to play the blade. And I'm going to try and create a really nice Hamon on there. Don't know if I'm going to do it. I'm going to give it a go though. So I'll wind this up and get it on the tube. And I'll come back when I put the clay on, and then we'll see if I can create a beautiful Hamon in that blade. Fingers crossed. See you soon.